Today we're going to talk about how the first 5 minutes of a grant can decide everything. Most nonprofits think their grant is going to be judged on the strength of the program, the numbers, or the budget. And while this is true, reviewers often decide whether to keep reading within the first 5 minutes. Everything that happens after that is just confirmation. Point 1, visual and structural signs. Even before a reviewer reads deeply, their eyes land on the page layout, the headings, and whether your narrative flows. Inconsistency here can create doubt faster than a weaker program ever could. You can have the strongest mission in the world, but if the proposal feels scattered, it can trigger risk signals. Point 2, clarity over content. So clarity isn't always about simplifying ideas. It's about presenting them in a way that the reviewer can immediately grasp them. So over-explaining, jargon, or jumping in between ideas slows the reader. And that pause, that's where doubt starts creeping in. Point 3, confidence signals. Reviewers intuitively notice confidence. Not arrogance, just alignment, consistency, and purpose. So your opening paragraph, your budget summary, your outcomes table and points, they're more than just details. They're first impressions of your organization's leadership, strength, and capacity. Reviewers often decide quickly whether to keep reading or develop an opinion early on. Clarity isn't simplifying, it's being immediately graspable and accessible to the reviewer. And your opening paragraph is a signal of your leadership, not just a summary. So understanding this shift, that first impressions can outweigh the program details, can change everything when you're looking at an overall proposal. You don't need to rewrite your mission, you need to frame it with confidence and consistency throughout each grant. If you want framework like this that makes grant writing effortless, my DIY grant packages give you exactly that. Check out the links to my website in the bio, hancockbcs.com, to learn more, and happy grant writing.